Hello guys, welcome back to Womiba Finance channel, and today I want to tell you something good, about caregivers visa sponsorship in Ireland. Ireland, the Republic of Ireland, is a country to France. Yeah, and they use euro as their legal tender, currency. Okay, let me just tell you something. If you're coming to United Kingdom or Republic of Ireland with caregivers visa sponsorship, I want you to choose nursing homes and no longer recruiting or giving. So, but the people that are still giving are individual owned agencies that are giving domiciliary care visa sponsorship. So you have to wait, and I will explain something to you, because there are many people that have come to United Kingdom with this domiciliary care visa sponsorship, and there is no job. Yes, they are just roaming the streets. There's no jobs. I cannot tell you how many people that have called me about this, how they are stranded looking for food, or how they want to get by, or they don't know what else to do. One girl has gone to do cleaning. Yes, it is not, I told her that she might have problem because it's not the agency that is giving her this cleaning job that is giving her, she's putting her taxing code in that pay slip, so she will have problem. But stay with me and I will tell you the agencies and some of the requirements and how to get jobs in care homes. I mean care homes. I'm not talking of domiciliary care because they are different, and I will tell you when we come back after the short break. See you. Okay, now let's get down. There's difference between a carer that is a domiciliary carer and a carer that works in a care home, because when you work in a care home, your hours are guaranteed, and when your hours are guaranteed, you will get a stable monthly payment. That is all. Then when we talk about domiciliary is a case where people, old people or vulnerable people in our society, it can be disabled people but they are young, but we call them, because of this video, we will call all of them vulnerable people in the society. They want to be taken care of in their homes. So what happens is this: Mrs. A went to Nigeria, recruit care workers and brought them here to take care of maybe Mr. Beans or Mr. Yam or Mr. Vegetable. Yes, they are not real name, I'm just giving you an example. So Mr. Beans, Mr. Yam, Mr. Vegetable, they are all in their homes receiving care. Then this domiciliary care worker goes to their houses every day or every 1 hour, 1 hour for personal care in the morning, 1 hour for afternoon lunch, 1 hour for this. So they go to this round the clock. Yeah, sometimes the hours might be 9 hours, or the hours might even be 6 or 4 hours in a day. So you can see the hours are not stable. So the shocker is this: if Mr. Yam or Mr. Beans or Mr. Vegetable becomes sick, so let's say Mr. Yam has been sick and the paramedic came and took him to the hospital. Let me just give you the scenario here. The carer that came from Nigeria for this job will not be paid because Mr. Yam is no longer receiving treatment, or is no longer receiving care package or personal care, whatever care you're giving from her. So that is a chunk money cut off from her planned salary. So, and domiciliary owners will not pay you, because I don't think council or NHS pays somebody that is not receiving care that they should receive from a care supplier. So now where it gets interesting is that if you have many debts, obviously the people you are taking care of might be in their 90s, 95 or 100 even. Yes, it's common here that people get to 100 years. So then maybe all of them, they went to hospital, or they went to their family's house, or they went to or they died. Then there will be no money for you. This is where I come in with the Nigerians stranded here. So most of them came here with this care visa sponsorship. They didn't check the difference. They didn't know the difference. So they came in, they started going from one house to give this personal care, and ended up losing those clients. And their payment stopped from their agencies that brought them. So remember, they still have their rent to pay, the council tax, the electricity, the TV insurance, or the TV. Maybe you bought the TV with high purchase or whatever. So you have bills monthly to go out from your account, and you're not receiving this money, and you are with even master's degree paper, and you're not receiving this money. So think about it this way. Now, what you need to do now is go and look for another care home that will absorb you smoothly, and your the person that brought you from Africa to here, or the person that gave the offer letter for you to come here, might not be able to pay you the money to pay your bills, because no money is coming into his or her own end. So this is where it gets interesting, and some people are frustrated because they have come to do the domiciliary care, and many people died, or the families moved their family members, so they are stranded. No money is coming in, and the bill is reading in the meter. So if you are checking this screen now, I will share the recruitment firm recruiting people into care home and paying the money they're supposed to pay, and the salary is stable, and the job is stable itself. So watch the screen, you will see the name of the health care owners and recruiters recruiting for these care homes. Sometimes all these care homes, have their own recruitment admins, so you will be recruited through the admin. Maybe if they don't have, or other people are doing the recruitment for them, then that's it. So now, visa requirement. Once you get the offer letter, you prepare your visa, your travel insurance, your criminal record, your care certificate if you have any. You prepare them, because you will need it in the interview with the offer letter they gave you. Then go to the Republic of Ireland Embassy and make application for your visa. You will get it, because obviously you are smart, intelligent. And this is where I will be ending this video. Please tell your family and friends about this channel, and tell your colleagues at work, associates, about this Womiba Finance channel. We'll be coming here every day to give you one tip or the other, and how to make your life easy, your location life easy. So thank you for staying with me till this minute. See.